पिले आज हम पढ़ेगा इंग्लिश लेसन 3 दैट इज मैजिक. So before we go through the topic, go through the poem, first of all we should know what is the meaning of magic. What is magic? What do you mean by magic? Magic means supernatural talents. Magic. Magic means supernatural talents. Supernatural talents. Something surprising, something indifferent. That is not magic. And what? So ओडिया होची magic जादू बा फूक. So who shows a magic? Generally a magician shows a magic. We also see different types of magic in schools, also in roads, and also other places. Now we will read the poem Magic and see how the magic is different from that magic, where that the magic shown by a magician. Now look at the poem. You have magic in your fingertips, magic in your eyes, magic in the arms that hold and tell me not to cry. There is magic in your voice when you talk to me each day. There is magic in your smile and in the things you say. There is magic in the way you let me be myself with you. There is magic that you teach me to be good, brave and true. I am growing older and soon I will go away, but the magic you taught me will go with me every day. Here, the magic is shown by a mother to her child. Here, the magical power of the mother is described. There are some figures. Each figure shows the relationship between mother and her child. How a child feels safe with her mother, how with her mother's arms. So it has legacy. There is magic in your fingertips. A child is saying to her mother or his mother, "But now you have magic in your fingertips." Oh my mother, you have magic in your fingertips. तुम्हारा हाथर स्पर्श रे जादूगरी शक्ति अच्छी. मतलब पिला माटी पिलाटी को छुई दिए बा मार स्पर्श पिलाटी लगे सेतबेले पिलाटी आश्वस्ति जोटा कि साधारण लोक मैंने बुझिया कष्ट करती पिलाटी को शांत कर कि मार स्पर्श लगे पिलाटी शांत हो जाए. तो से पिलाटी कही ओ माय मदर यू हैव मैजिक इन योर फिंगरटिप्स. तो आंगुठी स्पर्श रे आंगुठी अगर स्पर्श रे जादूगरी शक्ति अच्छी किसी कुहक शक्ति अच्छी. मैजिक इन योर आईज. यू हैव आल्सो मैजिक इन योर आईज. तुम्हारा दृष्टि बा चाहनी गोटे मार चाहनी द्वारा पिलाटी साधारणतः आकर्षित होता है द्वारा ता मन में किसी परिवर्तन आसता है से किसी संवेदनशील सृष्टि करता है. So you have magic in your hand. The child is saying to her mother or his mother, "Oh my mother, you have magic in your fingertips and magic in your eyes. Magic in the arms that hold and tell me not to cry." When a child cries, mother takes it and holds with her arm. When the mother holds the child with her arms, the child becomes quiet, shanto hai pade. There is magic in your arms. The child is saying that, "Oh my mother, you have not only magic in your fingertips and eyes, but you have also magic in your arms." That is arm. जो पिलाटा को माँ कोड़े थाए से कोड़ स्पर्श रे मध्य जादूगर शक्ति थाए जोटा कि पिलाटे किछना परिवर्तन है. Magic in your arms and tail and magic in the arms that hold and tell me not to cry. सदा जमी जादूकरी शक्ति पिला को सांत्वना दे बा कहे ओ चाइल्ड डोंट क्राई बी साइलेंट नीरव हो जाए कांदना सदा जमी एभली माटी पिला को आश्वासन दे बा सांत्वना दे दे there is your magic in your fingertips magic in your eyes magic in the arms that hold and tell me not to cry again there is magic in your voice the child is saying to mother oh my mother there is magic in your voice your swara বা কণ্ঠস্বরে মধ্যে কি জাদুকরী শক্তি আছে যার দ্বারা পিলাটি প্রভাবিত হইଥାଏ বা পিলাটি মার শক্তি জানি পাইଥାଏ when you talk to me each day when you talk to me each day बाटी सबले पिला सहित कथावार्ता हेइଥାଏ तार स्वर से जानि परଥାଏ तो जो जगह थिले भी मार स्वर पिला दे बारी पड़ଥାଏ there is magic in your voice when you talk to me each day again there is magic in your smile the child is saying oh my mother not only you have magic in your voice you have also voice in your smile तो बुद्धिभाष स्वास्थ्य बदन द्वारा मु तो प्रभावित होछि बा तुम स्वास्थ्य बदन रे जे मादकता बा जादूकरी शक्ति अछि तल where we know there is magical power now there is magical power in the fingertips of the mother her eyes her arms her voice and also her arms again there is magic in the way you let me be myself you with me you let me be myself with you you let me that means you allow me to be to let me be myself with you तुम सहित मु संस्पर्श बा जोड़ी रहबा पई जो तुम आकर्षण सेतर मध्य मादकता अछि बा जादू कर तार तो माडी सबले ता पिला सहित जोड़ी रहय बा पिलाटी मार सबले निकट करी जाय पिलाटी जोड़ कर लगाई सबले से कोडी मार निकट फेरी आसे बा मां पकड़ सकता सेल कहि देयर इज मैजिक ओ माय मदर देयर इज मैजिक इन द वे हैला यू लेट मी यू अलाउ मी बी माय सेल्फ जे विथ तुम सहित मिश्र पे जोड़ी रहे हैला जो प्रोसेस से करो सेतर मध्य जादू करी मादकता शक्ति मध्य बराबर रही there is magic that you teach me to be good brave and true you have also magic where the magic in the voice but in the advice in your advice that you teach me तुम्हें जो मते शिक्षा दान देर सेथरे मध्य किछटा जादू कर सकता ओ शिक्षा मालिते ना देयर इज मैजिक that you teach me teach you शिक्षा देबा there is the give some knowledge there is magic that you teach me शिक्षा देता होते कोन and to be good brave and to be good teach शिक्षा देबा teach give knowledge शिक्षा देबा टीच कौन सिखा दे ना टू बी गुड ब्रेव एंड ट्रूथफुल गुड माने भलो उत्तम ब्रेव माने साहस ट्रूथफुल ट्रूथफुल सत्यवादी सत्य बा ट्रूथफुल सत्यवादिता तुम जो शिक्षा मत दिया कौन हवा भाई ना टू बी गुड ब्रेव एंड ट्रूथफुल इन फ्यूचर भविष्य रे तू गोटे भल मनीष बा सुमनीष साहसी एवं सत्य आदि व्यक्ति हवा पाई तुम जो उपदेश देता तादरे मते जादूकरी शक्ति अछि there is magic that you teach me to be good brave and true now the child is saying oh my mother now I am growing older आस्ते आस्ते पिलाटी छोटो शैशव अवस्था रो आस्ते आस्ते मार संस्पर्श पाई से आस्ते छोटो बड़ है तो पिलाटी बड़ है जाए से मां सहित जोड़ी रहे नहीं बा अधिक शिक्षा लाभ करे से बाहर को ବା କର୍ମ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ସେ ବାହାରକୁ ଆସ୍ତେ ଆସ୍ତେ ଦୂରେଇ ଯାଇଥାଏ। ସେ କହିଛି ଆଇ ଆମ୍ ଗ୍ରୋଇଂ ଓଲ୍ଡର, ଓ ମାଇ ମଦର ଆଇ ଆମ୍ ଗ୍ରୋଇଂ ଓଲ୍ଡର ଡେ ବାଇ ଡେ, ଦିନକୁ ଦିନ ମୁଁ ଆସ୍ତେ ଆସ୍ତେ ବଡ଼ ହେଇଯାଉଛି। and soon I will go away, soon I will go away and be separated from you, ମୁଁ ତୁମଠାରୁ ଦୂରେଇ ଯିବି। ଆସ୍ତେ ଛୋଟ ପିଲାଟା ମା ସହିତ ସବୁବେଳେ ଯୋଡ଼ି ରହିଥାଏ, ଦିନ 24 ଘଣ୍ଟା ମା ସହିତ ସକାଳୁ ସନ୍ଧ୍ୟାବେଳେ ଯୋଡ଼ିଥାଏ। କିନ୍ତୁ ପିଲାଟି ବଡ଼ ହେଲା ବେଳେ ପାଠ ପଢ଼ିବା ପାଇଁ ସ୍କୁଲ ଆସେ, କିଛି ସମୟ ମାଠୁ ଅଲଗା ହେଇଯାଏ, ପାଠ ଉଚ୍ଚ ଶିକ୍ଷା କରିବା ବେଳେ ଆଉ ଅଧିକ ସମୟ ମାଠୁ ଅଲଗା ହେଇଯାଏ। ଯେତେବେଳେ କୌଣସି ଜାଗାରେ ନିଯୁକ୍ତି ପାଇଯାଏ ବା ଚାକିରି କରେ, ସେ ମାଠୁ ବହୁତ ସମୟ ପାଇଁ ଦୂରେଇ ଯାଏ। ସେ କଥା କହିଛି ଓ ମାଇ ମଦର ଆଇ ଆମ୍ ଗ୍ରୋଇଂ ଓଲ୍ଡର and soon I will go away, ମୁଁ ଆସ୍ତେ ଆସ୍ତେ ମା ଦିନକୁ ଦିନ ବଡ଼ ହେଇଯାଉଛି। and soon ଶୀଘ୍ର I will go away, ମୁଁ ମଧ୍ୟ ଦୂରେଇ ଯିବି। but the magic that you taught me, but the magical power that you taught me, taught in the past tense of teach, teach the living the past tense of taught, जो शिक्षा मते देल will go with me every day, that advice will always go with me wherever I go, your advice always will be remembered by me wherever I go, सबले तुमर उपदेश मु सबले मोर जीवन मार्गदर्शक रहे, तुम उपदेश को मु केवले जीवन में भूली पारि ना। ये कथाटी पिलाटी माँ को कही से कथा से लिखा है देयर इज मैजिक, तो how they can look at the poem, there is magic in your fingertips, there is magic in your voice, there is magic in the arts that you hold and tell not me. So where are the magical power of mother? The magical power are the fingertips. What is fingertips, eyes, arms, in the voice of the mother, and her smile, magic. Magical power in the advice that she gives. These are the magical power of the mother, and a child also attracted by, encouraged or amused by the magical power of the mother, and he also at last the child is saying that oh my mother, I am growing older and soon I will go away, for the advice that you gave me will go with me every day. I am growing older, but the advice that you taught me in the childhood days will always be remembered by me wherever I go. Your advice never be forgotten. This is all about the poem, that is magic. Now there are some questions. Who is you? Who is you in this poem? Who is you in this poem? Why does a mother What does the mother advise her child? Is the mother's advice everlasting or short-lived? everlasting or short-lived. These are some of the questions. Who is you in the poem? Why does a mother advise her child? Third, is the mother's advice everlasting or short-lived? Everlasting होती चिरस्थायी, short-lived होती क्षणस्थायी. The answer करो. Who is you in the poem? None in the poem. You is the mother of a child. Second, why does a mother advise her child? Now a mother advises her child to be good, brave and truthful. Third, is the mother's advice everlasting or short-lived? A mother's advice is everlasting. Seriously? This is all about the poem. That is mother, magic. यदि पढ़े पिले समस्त को धन्यवाद।